Welcome back to Future Drive USA. Today we are taking a closer look at the incredible Dembell Motorhome 2026, one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever created. Built by Dembell Motorhomes, this massive home on wheels combines premium comfort, advanced engineering, and stunning design, making it perfect for travelers who want the ultimate road experience. From the outside, the motorhome looks powerful and futuristic. It is built on the strong Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, giving it excellent durability and road presence. The sleek body design features large panoramic windows, stylish LED headlights, smooth aerodynamic lines, and multiple storage compartments. The triple-axle setup adds stability and strength, while automatic leveling systems make parking easy wherever you travel. Step inside and the luxury becomes even more impressive. The spacious living area features premium leather sofas, elegant ambient lighting, a large smart TV, and high-quality materials everywhere you look. The interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. There is also a slide-out system that expands the space when parked, giving passengers more room to relax. The fully equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, microwave oven, full-size refrigerator, modern sink, and beautifully designed cabinets. This allows you to prepare meals easily while traveling. Moving further inside, the bedroom offers a comfortable king-size bed, wardrobe storage, soft lighting, and a quiet, relaxing atmosphere perfect for long trips. The bathroom is designed like a luxury hotel bathroom with a glass shower cabin, stylish sink, modern toilet, and premium fixtures that add to the overall comfort of this motorhome. Performance is equally impressive, thanks to the powerful diesel engine of the Actros platform. With advanced driver assistance systems, air suspension, and excellent road stability, the driving experience remains smooth despite the vehicle's large size. The price of the Dembell Motorhome 2026 can reach around $2 to $3 million depending on customization, making it one of the most exclusive motorhomes in the world. If you enjoy luxury vehicles and amazing motorhomes like this, make sure to subscribe to Future Drive USA for more incredible reviews and future innovations on wheels.